Welcome to our video on the top 5 best air fryers for 2025. Air fryers have taken the kitchen appliance world by storm, offering a healthier and more convenient way to enjoy crispy, delicious meals with less oil. Whether you're looking to whip up golden French fries, juicy chicken wings, or even roasted vegetables, the right air fryer can make all the difference. With so many options available, picking the right air fryers can feel overwhelming. But don't worry. We've done the hard work for you. These top picks were carefully selected based on rave reviews and real customer feedback. Stick around to explore the best air fryers for your needs, and remember to check the description for links and more details. Let's dive in. Number 5. Ninja Double Oven. To the best of our knowledge, the Ninja Double Oven is the only air fryer with a toaster oven design and 2 separate cooking compartments. Dual-zone air fryers usually achieve this with 2 drawers, but having 2 distinct cavities means this model is very flexible. The downside is that it's also harder to clean than models with removable drawers. With the Ninja Double Oven air fryer, you can engage 2 different cooking functions at the same time. The top cavity can broil, toast, bagel, reheat, and keep warm, while the bottom works like a standard air fryer. There are 12 functions to choose from, including not just air frying but roasting, baking, toasting, and more. In our tests, we found it cooked very well across all its functions, and the Smart Finish feature makes it easy to coordinate 2 different kinds of cooking or 2 different temperatures, so everything's ready at the same time. The Ninja Double Oven is expensive, but if you want to have all your cooking bases covered, it's an ideal solution for cooking for small or large groups alike. Unfortunately, at the time of writing, it's only available to customers in the US. Number 4. Cosori Turbo Blaze. Bigger is better for performance, but you might want something smaller if bigger won't fit in your kitchen. The Cosori Turbo Blaze is a 6QT air fryer, which is generally enough capacity to serve about 4 people. Still, its square basket gives you more room to arrange food in a single layer compared with some other options with the same capacity. While it doesn't perform quite as well as the Ninja, it comes close, producing very good quality air-fried food. It's also very versatile. There are 5 different fan speeds, so you can use the bake setting for a medium fan speed when you want to avoid drying out cake or cookies, or the dehydrate setting for a very low fan speed to prevent light ingredients from blowing around. The adjustable fan makes it a good option if you plan to experiment with a variety of recipes in your air fryer. However, it doesn't have the best temperature stability. While it does an okay job of maintaining a stable temperature, the Ninja is much better in this regard, which can help with accurately following recipes or cooking delicate foods that need specific conditions. While it cooks food quickly, preheating takes a while. That said, it has a preheat mode, so you don't have to guess when the air fryer is fully heated. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out crisp fries and chicken wings without emitting the cooking smells you'd usually expect from an air fryer. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors, but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer with clear cook and odor erase improves on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and an interior light so you can keep an eye on food while it's cooking, while its built-in filters handle the odors. It's surprisingly quiet, too, one of the quietest we've tested to date. However, it doesn't come with any cooking guides, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate tends to fall out if the basket is tipped up too much when removing food, and the display doesn't take long to attract fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes, and it's otherwise an easy air fryer to recommend. Number 2. Philips 3000 Dual Zone Air Fryer. When I reviewed the Philips 3000, I described it as an air fryer designed for foodies. Sure, any air fryer could probably crisp up some frozen fries, but this is an air fryer I'd trust with expensive cuts of meat. For a start, it's got extra sensitive temperature controls, This means your food won't cook quite as fast as if you blasted it in the Ninja 4-in-1, but it does do an excellent job of rending fat from bacon and chicken wings, making your salmon tender and flaky and evenly browning potato wedges. All Philips air fryers have a vortex design on the base of the air fryer baskets to increase air circulation. I do think this works, but it does mean you can't cook flat on the base of these baskets, which is something I occasionally like to do in the likes of my instant air fryer. Then there's the dual zone design, which is pretty clever. It's split into a smaller drawer. I use this for single servings of things like bacon or fish, and a larger drawer that's akin in size to the likes of Ninja and Cosori air fryers, meaning you can cook for a family without having to compromise. Some air fryers have a removable insert, which is a handy feature, but the uneven split is a good workaround. Number 1. Ninja Double Stack. With most air fryers, the more generous the cooking capacity, the more counter space you'll need to sacrifice. This Ninja model cleverly avoids that issue by stacking its baskets one on top of the other rather than side by side. It's such a smart design that we gave it the prize for Best Air Fryer in the 2024 TechRadar Choice Awards. Each drawer holds 5 QTs, 4.75 L, and you can create even more cooking space by slotting in one of the provided trays. However, do note that the tall rather than wide approach means you won't be able to fit in, say, an uncut pizza. If you just need something compact and don't need a large capacity, head to our guide to the best small air fryers. In our review, our tester noted no compromise in performance with this new design approach. The double stack delivers the same excellent performance as other Ninja air fryers we've tested. A wide range of different cooking modes make this model ultra-versatile, while the sync and match functions take all the pain out of cooking foods with different timing requirements. Select your cooking mode, set your finish time, and if you're synchronizing the two baskets, select the cooking times for each, and it'll do the math for you. There's also virtually no heat leakage between the two trays, which is good news if you're dealing with precise foods or don't want to waste energy when only using one basket. The main downside here is that the double stack is pricier than other dual basket air fryers, so if you don't need to save on counter space, you could get something as good for a lower price. But if you have a small kitchen, it could be well worth the extra investment. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the content, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell icon so you're alerted whenever we upload new content.